Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Thunder VPN safe and safer proxy. So if you use iPhone, then go to App Store. If you use Android, then go to Google Play Store. I brought the app on my front page, so simply tap on the Google Play Store application or App Store. Then tap on the search box in the top part of your device and type the word Thunder VPN. You can see Thunder VPN, fast and safe VPN. So 4.8 rating, 100 million plus people already download this app. You can choose country you want, any country you want. So there is some premium version, so simply tap on the install button and it takes few time to install. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.